Welcome everyone, welcome my beautiful family on Facebook to the beautiful sunset. This is West Layton and the beautiful, what was the name? It's a bird refuge place is how I see it. It's like a shoreline, Great Salt Lake shorelines. It's really swampy here. It's a beautiful place, like in the other, it's like otherworldly. You leave the city and here you are. So here's my beautiful friend Natasha Divine. She's really divine. A beautiful friend. So we went for a walk. This beautiful shoreline. I love it so much here. It's an incredible, it's like a mysterious place. You can go for a walk. So yeah, just connecting to nature and was just feeling anywhere we are, you can breathe in nature. She reminds you of who you are. Yeah, just incredible. Yay! So, wind is really strong.
And look at that cloud.
So we're just marveling in nature, connecting to the earth, and there's all kinds of ducks over here, couples. It's springtime.
Yes, it's divine union time.
Oh, look, another pheasant. Yeah, they're pheasants. There's pheasants and ducks here, and they're like beautiful.
I love their tails.
Anyway, so today we're showing up for day 55 of 366, sharing a little bit of this beautiful land, beautiful Rocky Mountains. Rocky Mountains is beautiful behind. Sunset going behind that cloud. My phone is kind of looking really blurry. So, connect to Mother Nature. Remember who you are. The message is here. She is guiding us all home to ourselves. Freezing?
But it's so
good.
beautiful though. Like it's a good cold.
So, all right. So have a beautiful, beautiful night. Checking in, checking out, sending love. Stay connected. Remember yourself. Remember who you are. Return. Heal your soul. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at.
You know what? Return to innocence. And you know that
Yes.
song
Yes.
as well? That's what
Oh,
I'm
there we
feeling
go.
now. It's the playfulness.
It's a pheasant. I'm crying because the wind is so strong. So beautiful. All right. Well, see you guys later. Right?
Bye. We love you.
Love you.